Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn CVC words, that is consonant, vowels, consonant. Okay. So today we are going to learn with the words letter A, short vowel sound A. A. So I placed on this board. So the vowels kept in the middle. So the first letter I am going to teach. The first letter you have to keep it as consonant. B. A. T. B. At, bat. Okay, so consonant, the first letter is consonant, the middle letter is vowel, and the last letter is consonant. So we call this word as CVC words. Okay, I'm going to change the first letter now. Now it's C, K, K, at, cat. The next letter F, at, fat. I'm changing the next letter P, 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 at, pat. Next the letter is S,